Hi boys and girls, here we are ready to write our published copy, which is our final copy of our writing. You have been working so hard on this writing. I'm so proud of all of you. I want to refer to my checklist first to make sure we're on the right track. Yesterday I checked off our brainstorming, our planning, our introduction, and then we worked on our events. I remember that I added those in to my draft and made sure that they were there, so I can check that off. I remember wrapping up my story with a conclusion, and I added what I learned or my life lesson, so I know I can check that off. And we did do some revising. We added words, we removed words, so I can check that off. And we definitely did some editing. I changed some spelling, and I did some capitalization that's different. So I know that I've been doing all of those things. So now down here it says I am ready to publish. So that's what we're going to do today. And you'll see that we have special paper we can write on if you would like to, or you could use paper that you have at home. But this is what our writing paper looks like. And I have a spot to draw a picture, and then my sentence writing will go below it. And I have a paper like this for each part of my rough draft. So what I would do is make sure that I have my rough draft right in front of me here. And I'm going to basically just copy it onto my final copy. And when I copy it, I'm going to make sure that I do what I wanted in my editing. So if I changed words, took them out, I'll make sure to take them out when I'm doing my final copy. So all this is just rewriting really nice and neat. I'm going to worry about my spelling. I'm going to worry about my letter formation and spacing between my words. You'll see what I mean as I go. So remember, you also don't have to have a perfect paper because you're just learning how to write in second grade, and so all of what you've been working on is such great work, so you should be proud of yourself. Basically, all I'm going to do is take my time and write very carefully and slowly so it's nice and neat. As you can see, I'm just really taking my time. I'm making sure I have nice spacing between my words. I've added my capital letters and my punctuation, and I've made the changes that I did in my edit. So I took out the word ouch, and here I didn't write it. So really, we're just looking at this paper and rewriting it over onto a nice, clean copy. And if I make a mistake, I'm writing in pencil, so you should write in pencil. That way we can erase and have it be nice and neat. Okay, so my first page is done. Now I take the second page of my rough draft, and I'm going to start there. And I'm just going to copy it again onto my next page that will look just like this, that's blank. And I'm going to make sure that I change my words that I used. And I'm going to add in the words that I added in my final copy. So you can go ahead and take some time to rewrite and publish this part. Today we won't, like I said, work on our picture. Tomorrow we'll focus on our picture. So right now you're just worrying about getting your words down in the sentence part. And then tomorrow we'll spend time drawing. Have fun writing!